Welcome to another episode of Sailing the Seychelles. In episode 1 we boarded a catamaran on Mahe and explored St. Anne Marine Park and lost our propeller. In episode 2 we crossed from St. Anne Marine Park to Lagoon and then on to Praslin. In this episode we wake up at Anse La Farine on Praslin, and from there we go and sail to One Tree Island for some amazing snorkeling. We try to launch a kite and then kitefoil from the catamaran, and then we go on to find the best beach we have ever seen on the sister islands. We're planning to make many more sailing videos over the coming years, so if that sounds interesting, don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel right away. Good morning again. Just woke up. We are anchored between Praslin and Ile Ronde and waiting for the sun to come up. Enjoying the sunrise in silence and slowly starting some breakfast as well. Ready for another day. So today we might go to Ave Maria Rock, the One Tree Island. But before we set off, we take a few moments to appreciate the sunrise in silence. The trip to One Tree Island, Ave Maria Rock, didn't take long, and before we knew it we were already dropping anchor next to it. Good, made it to One Tree Island. As you can see, the snorkeling here was really amazing. It's probably a good idea to come here early in the morning when the water is still relatively calm. So sailing from the One Tree Island, Ave Maria Rock, to the sister islands, and then on the backside there should be a nice beach. Let's see. And it's lunchtime. Yeah. Lekker. And also down here. Lunchtime.
Hi. It's not time. Not yet lunchtime.
It's not. Oh, it's just the second breakfast.
Yep, exactly.
Yep. Here we are approaching the sister islands. See them here. Yep. Petite Sur, Grand Sur. There's a very nice little beach there.
What are you doing?
Hey, hey?
are you doing? What?
When we approached the sister islands, I saw a good opportunity to kitefoil. The true wind showed up to 10 knots for a while, so we quickly got the kite ready.
Bye bye, kite.
Nice knowing you. Despite our efforts setting up the lines around the hull of the catamaran, we still ended up with a couple of tangles.
There's a tangle.
Luckily, we quickly managed to untangle the lines, but then the perfect launch window was already over. The wind had dropped again. One more. I bet it's the same thing, really. We'll come back when it flies. Almost. For a few amazing seconds we managed to fly the kite. So it looks like I'm gonna have to keep that dream of kite foiling around the Seychelles for another visit, maybe in another year. Let's see. After this spectacular kite foiling session, we motored over to the other side of the sister islands, to the east side, and what we found there was truly amazing. We had been to the Seychelles before and visited Anse La Farine, the most famous beach of the whole of Seychelles. But the beach that we found here, in our eyes, was much more beautiful still. I made a separate video on it, I'll link it in the description and in the screen as well. Be sure to check it out. Searching for the perfect beach. You think maybe this one is perfect? Dat vind je het leukste? Ja. Nou, perfect. Goed zo. So today we made it to the sister islands. We've just been at just crossed Petit Sur, went on the other side of Grand Sur, and now we're on the east side of Grand Sur. And I found this amazing beach. Might be the best one yet. Loving it. So really happy. Amazing. Yeah. Hey. Welcome to another paradise. Hoppa.
We zijn de enige hier. Onze boot. Het hele privéstrand voor ons.
Nee.
Jij toch?
Ja.
Ja.
It is I found some bad things.
Time to feed some people. Making pancakes, Dutch pancakes. Nice and hot down here. Trying to flip them while we're moving. Gonna be good though. And like that we made our way from the sister islands to the Edin Island Marina. And more games being played. And no one at the helm. I caught you on video. You're there, luckily. Yeah. Don't cross the speed limit. With a little bit of wind, it was enough to switch off the engines and we could enjoy some slow motion sailing, which made all of us really happy. And that's how we arrived with a beautiful evening sky to the Edin Island Marina, where we anchored out for the night. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel as well. And drop us a comment to get in touch. And then we'll see you soon in the next one. Yeah, it's amazing this one. Today we're planning to go to Praslin to find some coco de mer. Next time we climb to the top of Praslin and go to Curious Island to find some massive tortoises. We hope to see you then. Bye!